Well, hello there, this is Uncle G from RA Creations, and today I want to clear the confusion I get a lot from a lot of my clients when it comes to typography. This usually comes when I ask about the typeface they like to see on their designs, of which they know is font. But a font is not a typeface. A typeface is the overall appearance of a set of characters, including the letters, the numbers, and the symbols. Like Arial, for example. Arial itself is not a font. Arial is a typeface. And inside or within this typeface, we are going to find different fonts in different styles and sizes, like your Arial regular, Arial italic, Arial narrow, bold, black, etc. These are your fonts, and this is your typeface. So, in essence, the typeface is the design concept. This is a design concept. And the font are the tangible representation of this particular design. Of course, these terms are often used interchangeably in casual conversation, but they are not entirely the same. Fonts are like family members, a group of family members under one surname, which is typeface. I hope this gives you a clear understanding on these terms and where to use which and when. Well, that's all from me today. Hope to see you next time. Until then, take care.